Imagine this. You wake up one morning and realize that the biggest enemy holding you back is not outside. It's inside, an invisible chain, an addiction that silently destroys your focus, your energy, and your confidence. Yes, I'm talking about porn addiction. Porn is not just a bad habit, it's a silent killer of dreams. Every time you give in, your brain releases dopamine, the pleasure chemical, and slowly your brain starts craving more and more and more. The result? Your focus drops, your motivation fades, and your self-respect shatters. What looks like just entertainment ends up becoming a prison where you lose control over your own mind. It kills your discipline, it kills your social confidence, it kills your ability to love, to connect, to build real relationships. Most importantly, it kills your potential. Ask yourself how many hours, how much energy, how many dreams have you already sacrificed to this addiction? But here's the good news. You are not weak. You are not hopeless. The same brain that got addicted can also break free. Step 1, awareness. Accept that it's a problem. Stop lying to yourself. Step 2, replace. Don't just quit porn, replace it with powerful habits. Gym, reading, meditation, or building a skill. Step 3, purpose. Find a mission bigger than your urges. When your why is strong, your how becomes easy. Every time you say no to porn, you're saying yes to your future self. Yes to discipline, yes to self-respect, yes to becoming unstoppable. Remember, real strength is not in watching pixels on a screen. Real strength is in mastering your own mind. The world doesn't need another weak man hiding behind addiction. The world needs you, focused, disciplined, and unbreakable. So the choice is yours. Will you continue being a slave to instant pleasure? Or will you rise, break the chains, and build the life you were truly meant to live?